Kami na ay bababa sa aming galing. We are from the 5th floor. We're going to out bottom floor. Maybe this is the one that Rondas has been roaming around like that and
King George Square.
King George Square. That is the church. Very nice church on our right. 3rd floor. Early bird discount 20. Why
That's
is
what
it?
I mean. We got there before we got there after 7. Before 7:30, so it should have been $20.
But the ticket, when you put the ticket, it's yeah. 24 car park from $5. Give way, give way, give way. Ang lawak. Buti na lang meron sila. Wala talagang libreng parking dito kasi kung pataka lang kag park, mag-tow ka, tapos magbabayad ka pa. Exit to Wickham Terrace. This one. This one, my love. We go to Wickham.
That's Wickham Terrace. We're going to Wickham Street.
To downhill. Turbot Street only. This booth is closed. And you put it there para makalabas tayo. Open na ba? Open na. So this is Turbot Street in Brisbane City. Samahan niyo po kaming pupunta sa aming pupuntahan. We're going to Philippine Consulate here in Brisbane City. Dili na lang ako mag-video kasi pag dito sa harap, sa windshield, nagre-reflect yung windshield. Uy. So, ganito po ang Brisbane City. Malinis. Malamig kasi winter ngayon. Busy yung mga tao. Para siyang Makati, Manila. Kasi maraming establishment, malalaking establishment. Tapos, yung mga bus ay anywhere may mga bus station. Sa mga walang sasakyan, easy lang. Kasi in every street, mayroong bus station. And on our left is paggawaan ng Boots. Downes. Dr. Air Martins Downes. Federal Village. Warren Street, Wickham Street.
There's a police station down here. I'm just wondering whether yan, accessible yung mga bus. Ang train naman, meron din train, pero kailangan mga maglakad para makarating ka sa train station. The Valley Smartest Shopping. Hit the yellow. Orange. It's the lily of the valley, the garden. We're heading to Wickham Street, Mila. Parking.
I'm thinking of going to the police station and see if they got a JP and if they photocopy.
Yeah. There's no shop like newspaper agent. We will look so we can, no problem to have photocopy. Ang hirap maghanap ng photocopy dito. Kailangan kasi ng apat.
Google.
Okay.